Hello friends, today we shall see the derivation of conditions for most economical channel section rectangular. Most economical channel section rectangular. Here we will be deriving the conditions if satisfied by a rectangular channel section will make it a most economical or most efficient one. Now, what was most economical or most efficient means? Most economical or most efficient means a channel section that gives us maximum discharge with the minimum construction cost. Maximum discharge with minimum construction cost. I hope you all remember the condition that we made from Chassis equation, that is discharge is proportional to A by P, or discharge goes up, wetted perimeter goes down. Wetted perimeter goes down means the construction cost goes down. So this should be our area of interest. Wetted perimeter should be less. The wetted perimeter should be minimum. This is our condition that we have to meet. Now let us start. Consider a rectangular channel A, B, C, D with base width B, depth of flow Y. Wetted area is equal to B into Y. Wetted perimeter is equal to B plus 2Y. From here we can write B is equal to A by Y, and substituting that, here we get perimeter is equal to A by Y plus 2Y. Perimeter equal to A by Y plus 2Y. As said earlier, for the section to be most economical or most hydraulically efficient, the wetted area must be minimum. From here, wetted area must be minimum. So taking that condition, we can write dP by dy should be equal to 0. dP by dy should be equal to 0, where P is the wetted perimeter and Y is the depth of flow. Substituting this condition over here, we can write dP by dy equal to d of dy times A by Y plus 2Y should be equal to 0, which is equal to d by dy of A y raised to minus 1 plus 2y equal to 0 will be minus of A y square plus 2 equal to 0, or A is equal to 2y square. A equal to 2y square. Let's take that condition, A equal to 2y square. We know that flow area A is equal to B into Y. So taking over here, 2y square equal to B times Y. Square and Y get cancelled. So we can write B is equal to 2y. This is our first condition. B is equal to 2y. Also, hydraulic radius R is equal to A by P, where A is B into Y and wetted perimeter P is B plus 2Y, is equal to 2Y times Y from 2Y plus 2Y. I got it by substituting B over here, but is equal to 2y square by 4y is in turn equal to y by 2. Square cancel, y by 2. Therefore, R is equal to y by 2. This happens to be the second condition, R equal to y by 2. So by writing in as a statement, we can write base width or bottom width B should be equal to twice depth of flow and hydraulic radius R R equal to half of depth of two important conditions and a simple derivation. Thank you.